Do I owe you money? But go get cake. Ooh, lovely yummy cake. Bowl of salad. Sunny today.
Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling.
Benito? Benito? Just finished my morning meetings. Now I'm gonna eat. I didn't even eat yet. It is currently 9:40. Had an early start this morning. See, 9:40. And went to my workout and then did my meetings first. But now I'm like starving, so let's eat. Been into eating some dim sum in the morning. I got this from Ranch 99. It's a radish cake, and I put this in the air fryer. And then they also have these pork buns that I love, so I usually just eat one of these and then I air fry one of these. These are delicious. Good morning, Ruby. Where's that one? Over there. This kid. Always look like I owe him money. Do I owe you money, Beth? What? Not gonna lie, I'm extra hungry today, so I'm gonna also add some egg to the combo. Working out in the morning gets you so hungry because I usually go on an empty stomach, and yeah, I'm gonna do 2 eggs. Pork buns, hasiuba, radish cake, lobako, then my eggs. I put Japanese mayo on it because I love that stuff. And then for the sauce, I usually mix vinegar with soy sauce and then some chili because I like spicy. But yeah, usually I eat it with this. Look at this cup. This looks like my older dog that passed away, Sylvester. But yeah, it changes color with the hot water. I thought it was really cute.
What did you eat today?
My dim sum. Pork bun. These tassel bao is so good. You should try one. It's like really good. It's like tastes legit. The flour part is like a little bit sweet, you know, like a very hint of like sweetness. The pork is good, the sauce is good. Someone's wearing his new hoodie.
No. Someone is on fire.
Benito, we'll be right back, okay? Grocery. Gonna bring this bag. Gonna go get groceries. Also, just want to mention, I have no eye makeup on. It's literally just the Embossed Beauty eyelashes, and it gives me like a wing look. I really, really like it. Tomorrow after 5? Yeah, that's fine. Like that. Thank you. I used this so much in New York, so I want to get it clean. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. No! Oh, they got you. Baby back toy. I have nothing to get here. It's all him. Last two. The maple syrup. If we're gonna get cake, I'm gonna get cake.
You can't have your cake and eat the whole pie here.
What the fuck? Go get cake. Ooh, lovely yummy cake. You want the carrot cake, right?
I get a slice of it.
I'll get a slice of the brownie cheesecake. And then can I get a ham and cheese croissant too?
Before I had a printer.
You have to print out your scripts here. We got our cakes. That's for the weekend. Now I'm gonna get sweet greens because I want a salad today. Are you sure you didn't eat my salad by accident? Look at this yummy bowl of salad. Toss this up real quick. This is what makes it good. My favorite sauce, the miso ginger sauce. Which chicken do you like more, the blackened chicken or the regular chicken?
The black.
Their sweet potato is good too.
Same, but different.
Good morning, another day. I know I'm wearing the same thing because I'm just at home, but I'm gonna make me some breakfast. I had my morning meeting. Didn't have a workout this morning. I usually do workout every other day, so today we just, wake up. I did my morning meeting and now I'm gonna get some coffee and also gonna make me a salmon cream cheese bagel, which is one of my favorite things to eat in the morning. Actually, never mind. I forgot I got this yesterday from the bakery that we bought the cake. It's a ham and cheese croissant. I'm gonna heat this up and eat it because this needs to be eaten fresh. Oh my god, it's so... Look how huge this croissant is. It's delicious. Coffee. I swear the first sip makes me feel like I just woke up finally. This croissant. Dude, it's so big. Very fluffy. Very good croissant. Good ham and cheese croissant. The ham and cheese is right in the middle. It's a hefty piece of ham. I'm not gonna mess.
Uppercuts, we aim for the body, and then your defensive move today is going to be the step. If not, we might take it to a split instead.
About to head out to get my hair cut, but I'm hungry. I just worked out. I'm gonna making some bagel with cream cheese and salmon. Easy breakfast. I always do everything bagel for the most part, but when I'm at the restaurant, I usually order egg bagel. I love that too. Into my haircut. Really needed. It's getting out of control. Just got home, got my cut. The lighting here is better, you can see better. But yeah, much shorter. I think back to chin length. I do need to change because the haircut definitely gave me some hair on the t-shirt that I'm wearing underneath. It's like really itchy right now. That's the cut. Feels so much lighter. Love it. Happy Sunday. We're heading out to the mall. Gonna head to, I need to go to Sephora to pick up some stuff, and then also gonna visit buddies over at the Pet Memorial Park. Here at the Pet Memorial. The floor is so wet. I'm trying to walk on the ledge. The sprinklers just went off. I'm trying to walk over here. We got some decorations for the buddies. Careful, the floor is wet. It's sunny today, but also super windy and cold. It's very deceiving. LA's weather hasn't been LA's weather. We're stocking up on nuts for the squirrels. Getting kicks off day.
I ain't a killer, but don't push me.
We got a carrot cake, a fudge cake, and a banana cream pie cream cheesecake. 3 pieces. got my Shake Shack. I was craving the chicken burger today. It's the weekend, so we're gonna spoil ourselves and eat a little bit more. I'm gonna have a fry first. For those that don't know, Shake Shack's chicken burger is surprisingly good. I also got a milkshake. I like the chocolate one. So we're getting a little bit cold. I should have ate it there, but this is the sandwich. It does have pickle. I like the sauce, and the bun is honestly the best. And also it's crispy. Unlike some places, it's not crispy enough. I personally prefer this over the Chick-fil-A one. Just FYI.
Today, and you know, I know that we haven't done any of this shit in a long time, and most of you only come on Mondays, so